Rado, happy 26th birthday! So, nalaman ko na yung age mo. Hopefully, you look older. And I wish you good luck on your vocation. Sana pagpatuloy mo yun para magkaroon ako ng friend na brother who looks like high school student. So, yan. Happy birthday! And I wish you happiness in life. Ma!
Maligayang karawan, Kuya Rado. Ako'y nagagalak na nagkaroon ako ng kuyang kagaya mo. At sana sa darating na panahon ay maging ganap na brother ka na talaga. And wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rado. Miss ka na namin. Umuwi ka na dito. Magpakita ka na.
Hi, Kuya Rado. Happy birthday. Dito ka, 26 na daw. So, 26 ka na, I look forward na makikita ka na brother ka na. Happy birthday to you.
Kuya Rado, happy 26th birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Rado! Wish you all the best! God bless!
Hi Kuya! Happy birthday! Sana mahanap mo ang vocation mo sa buhay. God bless! Tsaka mag-ingat ka lagi. Love na love kita.
Happy 9th, 18th birthday, Kuya Rado. God bless and sana naniniwala ako na magandang kinabukasan naghihintay sa iyo. Good luck and keep the faith burning.
Hoy, tanda. Maligayang kaarawan. Maraming salamat sa pagiging isang mabuting kuya sa akin. Lagi ka nandyan pag kailangan kita sa mga kalokohan, mga advices mo. Sana'y masaya ka ako sa kamandalhin ng bukasyon mo. Narito lang kami para sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Rado, happy birthday sa iyo. Your 26th birthday. I just hope that, especially this year with the cultural thing, it's a year of grace, so that we will know more about God's plan for you. Be generous. Whatever you are doing, undergoing, so that others can also see how the grace of God is working through you in this year of grace and postulants. May your family continue to support you in all of your plans. At the same time, rest assured that brothers in Lipa are praying for you. Your friends here in Lipa are also remembering you on this special day. That's why we have this video for you. So again, happy birthday. God bless you. And more power. And may you continue to make a difference in the lives of young people that will be encountering the next few years. Again, happy birthday.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.